Ya, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, so my name is Ahmad Zulfalagozi. I'm from Jakarta and I'm from 11 TKJ. Today in this occasion, I will do IELTS speaking test project with my English teacher, Mr. Azwar.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. First question. What is there for a foreigner to do or see in your hometown?
Maybe I will go to the foreigner and I ask him to working in my hometown, because in my hometown is very comfortable to live in there, and I like so much to live in there, and I hope that foreigner like that place like as me. Okay.
Next one. What is the difference between where you are living now and where you have lived in the past?
Okay. Maybe now I live in IDN. In the past, I live in my house. So the difference in the IDN and my house is the facility. Of course, in IDN have more facility than my house, and in IDN is have more activity than my house, because in my house I just woke up, eat, praying, and sleep. But in IDN is more have activity, because in there you can playing together with your friends and sharing story in there. Okay, sir.
Okay. Next one. The third. Can you describe the place where you live?
So if I live in now, maybe I live in IDN. So I will describe the IDN. So IDN is a boarding school in Jonggol, that vocational high school. So I school in there. I get the network engineer, and IDN place is so good, so comfortable and so big, and the place is have two buildings. The first is asrama building, and the second is school building, and the back they have a lot of saung to live there, and in the more back they have a river and a mosque and musola, and that's a big place.
The fifth one.
Okay.
What is the difference between Indonesia and your home?
So the difference from Indonesia and my home is Indonesia that the place that there is my home, but my home is that the place where I live. In Indonesia there is many home, just not my home. In Indonesia there is a big country, and in my home is a little home, and in Indonesia they have many people like from Java, Sumatra, Kalimantan, and another. But in my home there is just Jakarta people and my family. And in Indonesia is more activity, is more population than my home. Okay.
Okay, next one. The sixth question. Describe your house.
Describe your house. Okay. So my house is in North Jakarta, that beside Cilincing. So that place has many trucks, because this terminal in there, terminal kapal, and then
Bus station.
okay, and in North Jakarta is have in my house is quite good, and I like to live in there, because that my home. And in my house there is a just one floor. So when you open the door, you go to living room, and then the living room have a television, chair, and book, and sofa. And when you go to the right side, you will see the kitchen. The kitchen have in the kitchen. And when you go to the left side, you will meet three bedroom and one bathroom. Okay, that's all the question.
Next one. Please describe the room you live in.
So I live in bedroom. So in the bedroom, I got two bed, the left side and the right side, and the middle side is in the mid side is for praying, and so left the door. We have television to watching together with family. And I lots more to have the time in bedroom than living room. So I just activity in bedroom. Yes.
The last question. Are the public transportation facilities near your home very good?
If I got asked like that, I will answer that good, so good, because my home is near with Transjakarta, and when I wanna go to another place like Zuragunan or Monas or another place, I just go to the street and I said, bang, ini bang, and then the car is go to me, and I just get in and I tap the card and tap in, tap out, and yeah, for my experience is so good and cheerful to get the Transjakarta, Jaklingko, LRT, KAI, MRT, and others. Okay, maybe that's all from me for IELTS speaking test project. My name is Ahmad Abdul Pala. Sorry if I have a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.